Speaking of connection speeds, Google is rolling out a 2 gig fiber service in Huntsville and Nashville. How lucky are these groups? $100 a month, 2 gig connection, 2 gigabits per second.
Enjoying Nashville hot chicken as well. I mean, that's a great combo.
Trying to sidetrack us right now, Will?
No.
I'm
Since
kidding. I'm joking. I made the joke because I've been sidetracking all day. I made the joke. Here's just a nice little sidetrack. I completely agree with you. A little chicken and a fast connection, no problem there. The plan costs $100 a month compared to $70 a month for the 1 gigabit per second service. It includes a Wi-Fi 6 multi-gig router, a tri-band mesh extender, and professional installation, all for $100 a month. I remember the days, Will. I remember when Google Fiber first started to roll out. It was a dream to me. I thought, man, if only I lived in one of these cities with Google Fiber, then my YouTube career would take off because I'd be uploading. I would just be uploading all the time. That didn't happen. YouTube is going all right some days. Some days it's going all right. However, other telcos have sort of caught up or got close from a connection standpoint. Like, we've got pretty quick connections in both of our premises, and Google's responsible for neither, but definitely not 2 gig. 2 gig would be nice. 2 gig would be double what we have. We got 1 gig right now. To put this in perspective, this 2 gig connection could download a typical 4K film in 1.2 minutes.
Wow.
Come on, Will.
Wow.
A 10 gigabyte game in 42 seconds. Come on, Will.
Wow.
Even a heavy game like 150 gigabyte Microsoft Flight Simulator would take 11 minutes. 150 gig game in 11 minutes.
And the name Fiber sounds really cool.
To the point.
Fiber internet.
And they give you all the hardware too, and they actually make somewhat decent hardware. So it's not like some of the stuff we get where we feel like we got to replace it right away. You might actually want to use the hardware that Google gives you. So anyway, if you're in Huntsville or Nashville, hop on this thing. Call up Google and improve your connection, because you might very well want to stream some of these movies that are about to debut on HBO Max.
Big deal.